Alright folks, I guess it's mandatory to do an unboxing video when you get new kit. Just the same as it is mandatory to have 10 days of overcast after you get new kit. This is a mount. This is the Skywatcher EQ6-R Pro mount. And I'm going to put for right now, I'm going to put my old OVA on it. I have an 8-inch Schmidt Cassegrain. I'm going to put on this mount for a while until I can swing a camera and a refractor. It's a very beautifully made mount. I'll tell you, 2-inch stainless steel legs at the counterweights. Beautifully made. Nice and heavy, 10 pounds. Instruction booklet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a plywood case for this to go, for this foam, exact foam to set into for a carrying case. I'm not going to move it around a lot, but my brother lives about 2 hours west of here and it's a lot darker. So I'm going to be going out there every once in a while. Here's the holder for the handheld controller. Here's the knobs. There's the SynScan controller. Beautiful. Forget how many tens of 40,000 objects it's got in there. Here's the controller for, I think, an EOS controller. Allen wrench for several different adjustments. Here's the cords for the power supply. Well, this is the cord for this, from the SynScan to the mount. That is a beauty. What a well-made piece of equipment. What a beautiful piece of equipment. I have a battery box. Here's my battery box. I'm charging it right now. It has two 12-volt outlets. It has three 7.2 ampere-hour batteries. It's got the thing from the battery tender. It's got a lead on that goes to charge the batteries, so I can plug it in there. I got my battery tender to keep it charged, and I think these batteries are getting old, so I think I'm going to get a new. Oh, that's charging voltage, so we're good. These are quite a few years old, so I think I'm going to get one larger size deep cycle 12-volt battery to put in here. You know, the same amount of ampere hours, but one single unit battery that'll be more easily replaceable, etc., etc.